To manage video enhancer settings on Honor 600, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to find the display and brightness, and then we can scroll all the way down where we can find video enhancer. After entering it, you'll be able to see two options. First one is super dynamic display. It will enhance HD video brightness and contrast with AI for a more realistic experience. It may lead to an increase in power consumption and device temperature. You also should click on supported apps and check if the app that you plan on using will support this feature. Then the second one is vivid display. Use AI to enhance video clarity and color, making details crystal clear and the picture vibrant for an improved viewing experience. Enabling this feature may increase power consumption and device temperature again. And you can also click on supported apps to check which apps will be able to use it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.